Logic gates are the basic building blocks of digital systems. Any digital circuit, from simple circuit to any complex circuit, can be built using these logic gates. The term logic gates comes from its operation, that output is logic 1 or logic 0, similar to gate is kept open or closed based on the logic built inside the gate circuit. Logic gates are divided into three categories. Those are basic gates, universal gates, and other gates. NOT gate, OR gate, and AND gates are called as basic gates. NAND and NOR gates are called as universal gates, and two more gates, those are exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. In basic gates, there are NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. First, let us see the NOT gate. What is NOT gate? This NOT gate is also called as inverter. NOT gate has only one input and one output. This is the ANSI symbol, American National Standard Institute symbol, and it is the IES symbol, that is International Electrotechnical Commission symbol. Generally, we use this ANSI symbols in logic circuits. We can also use this symbol also. It is the truth table for the NOT gate. Here only one input and one output. So possible inputs are 0 or 1. When input is 0, that output is complement of the 0, that is 1, logic 1. Hence that output is 1. When input is 1, that is the output is complement of the 1, that is the output is 0. It is the IC version, that is the 7404. It consists of 6 inverters, 6 NOT gates. This 74 indicates the logic family, that is TTL, and 04 indicates that particular IC, that is the inverters. There are 6 inverters. There are some other logic families like CMOS or other gates. Here it is here I have given that example for the TTL logic family IC, that is the 74, starting from 74, that is the 7404 is particularly to the inverter IC. It consists of the 6 inverters. The working of the NOT gate can be explained by using this equivalent switching circuit. This is only to understand the working of the NOT gate. It is not actual circuit inside that IC or that NOT gate. It is the equivalent circuit when A is equal to 0. There is only one input. That input is replaced with the switch. That when A is equal to 0, that switch is opened. When switch is opened, there is no path to flow closed path to flow the current through the switch. Hence, the current flows from the supply to the bulb. Hence, output equal to 1. When A is equal to 0, that switch is opened. That is when A is equal to 0, when switch is opened, there is no path through the switch. Hence, the current flows through the bulb and output equal to 1, logic 1, that is the bulb is on state. Next, when A is equal to 1, that when switch is closed, then current flows through the switch. This is the current flow path. When current is flowing through the switch, there is no current flow through the bulb. Hence, that output equal to 0, but bulb is off state. That is the working of the NOT gate. Next, AND gate. Let us see what is the AND gate. AND gate consists of 2 or more inputs and 1 output. It can have the n number of inputs. Those are 2 inputs or 3 inputs or like that. It can have the 2 or more inputs and 1 output, and that logical expression is A into B. You can use this IEC symbol also, that is the AND inside the square box, and these lines indicates the inputs and it is the output, and it is the truth table for the AND gate, that output AB equal to A into B. that is when these are the possible inputs. When inputs are 0 0, that output is 0. When input is 0 1, 0 into 1 equal to 0, 1 0. When inputs are 1 0, 1 into 0 equal to 0. When inputs are 1 and 1, 1 into 1, that output is 1, and it is the IC that is 7408 quad 2 input AND gate. It consists of 4 AND gates. This is the one of the 4 AND gates, and these are the inputs 1 2, pin numbers 1 2, and output is the pin number 3. It consists of the 4 AND gates, and the pin numbers are the inputs for these two 1 and 2 for the first gate, and 4 5 for the second gate, and there are 2 more gates, those are third. 8 9 10 are the inputs for the third gate, and 12 13 for the inputs for the fourth gate, and 11th pin is the output, and 14 7 these are the supply pins, that is those are 14 for the power supply, and 7th pin is the ground. Let us see the working of the AND gate. When you replace the inputs with these two switches, and when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, these switches are open state, then there is no path to flow the current to the bulb, then output equal to 0. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, when two inputs are 0 0, that output equal to 0, that bulb is off state. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, that is this switch is open state and this switch is closed. Then also there is no closed path because of this input A is equal to 0. When A is equal to 0, there is no closed path because of this off switch, hence output equal to 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then also when A is equal to 1, the switch is closed, and B is equal to 0, there is a open switch, so there is no closed path to flow the current through the switch B to the bulb, then bulb is off state. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, the two switches are in closed state, that is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, these switches are closed, then current flows through these switches A and B to the bulb, then bulb is on state, that is the output is logic 1. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, output is logic 1. That is the AND gate operation. Only that output is logic 1 when only all the inputs are at logic 1. Even when only one input is logic 0, that output is 0. In this case, these two are 0. In this case, that A is 0. Here B is 0. If any one of the inputs is 0, that output is 0. That output is logic 1 only when all the inputs are logic 1. That is the AND gate. Here enable input is 1, disable input is 0. It means enable input is 1 means in 2 input AND gate, if one of the input is logic 1, that output depends on the other inputs. If the output is other input is 0, that output is 0. If other input is 1, that output is logic 1. That is the enable input. Disable input is 0. It means any one of the input is 0, irrespective of the other inputs, that output is 0. That is the disable input. Like 2 input AND gate, there is a 3 input AND gate, 4 input AND gate, etc. The working is same as the 2 input AND gate. Here 3 inputs and output. That output is expressed as A into B into C when inputs are A, B, C, or we can write A, B, C. That IC number is 74LS11. That 74 indicates the TTL logic family low Schottky, and 11 is the that indicates that is the 3 input AND gate. It consists of the 3 input AND gates, and it is also 14 pin IC, and it is the 4 input AND gate. The working is same as the 2 input AND gate. You can extend that inputs up to n inputs. These are the 4 input AND gate, A, B, C, D, that output equal to A into B into C into D. It is the truth table for the 4 input AND gate. The working is same as the 2 input AND gate. That output is logic 0 when any one of the inputs are logic 0. Any one of the input is logic 0, that output is 0. Here these 4 are zeros, so 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, any one of the input is 0, that output is 0. Here 3 inputs are logic 1 and 0, so it is also 0. That output is logic 1 when only all the inputs are logic 1. That is a AND gate. That IC is 7421. For 4 input AND gate, it consists of 2 4 input AND gates, that is the 7421. Next, let us see the OR gate. It also consists of 2 or more inputs and 1 output. It is the circuit symbol for the OR gate, and we can also use this symbol, this IEC symbol. That symbol is greater than or equal to 1 inside the square box. It means if any one of the input is logic 1 equal to 1, or if any one of the input or more than one input is logic 1, that output is logic 1. That is the OR gate. That logical expression is x equal to a plus b. For the 2 input and OR gate, that logical expression is a plus b. It is the truth table. When you take the 2 input OR gate, the possible inputs are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. For 0 0, that output is 0 because of 2 inputs are logic 0. For 0 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Any one of the input is logic 1, that output is logic 1. That is the OR gate. 7432 is the quad 2 input OR gate. It consists of 4 OR gates, and it is also 14 pin IC. Always you have to see the IC numbers, that is there is a notch, and that is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 continues to this pin 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. This is the IC version, that is the 7432 quad 2 input OR gate IC. The working of the IC can be explained by using this equivalent switching circuit. When you replace these switches with the inputs with the switches, there is a and B, 2 inputs. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. When 2 switches are in open state, off state, that output equal to 0. Output equal to 0. That bulb is off state. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. It is open state and it is closed state. When the switch is closed, then there is a path to flow the current to the bulb. Hence, the bulb is on state, that output equal to 1. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Even it is the off state, there is this switch is off. Even it is off state, it is on state. Hence, there is a path to flow the current to the bulb. There is a closed path to flow the current to the bulb. Hence, that bulb is on state. The bulb is on state for A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. Similarly, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. Then this switch is on state, it is open state. It is a off state. Hence, the current flows through this switch A and to the bulb. Then bulb is on state, that output is logic 1. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, both switches are on state, then there is a path to flow the current. Here the current divides into 2 paths, that A and B. and hence again these two are connected in parallel. These two are combined and flow through the bulb, then bulb is on state. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, the two switches are in on state or closed state, then output equal to 1 and bulb is on state. Okay, when you see the truth table, it has the two inputs. The possible inputs are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. For 0 0, the output is 0, 0 1, 0 plus 1, that equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1, that output is logic 1. Here enable input is logic 0, disable input is logic 1. Here enable input is 0 means if any one of the switch is opened, then output depends on the other inputs. If the other input, if any one of the other inputs is logic 1, that switch is closed, then there is a closed path to flow the current to the bulb, then bulb will be on, goes to the on state. That is the enable input equal to 0. That is the when input is 0, when one of the inputs is 0, for example if you give the 0 to the A, that output depends on the other inputs. That is the enable input. Disable input is 1. If you, for example, if you give the 1 to the A, irrespective of the other inputs, that output is logic 1. Hence enable input is 0 and disable input is logic 1. Those are the logic gates, basic gates: NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. Next let us discuss the universal gates. What are the universal gates? NAND gate and NOR gates are called as universal gates. Why these gates are called as universal gates? Any logic gate or logic function can be realized by using only NAND gates or by using only NOR gates. What is the necessity to use only NAND gates or only NOR gates? That is, the reason is, in ICs always there is available only one form of the gate, that is one type of gate. It may be, if it is the AND gate, that IC consists of all the AND gates. Hence we have the NAND gates, then we can realize any logic gate or logic function by using only NAND gates or by using only NOR gates. Those are the universal gates. You can design any logic gate or logic function by using NAND gate and NOR gate. Hence these are called as universal gates. Now let us see the universal gates. One of the universal gates, that is the NAND gate. It also consists of two or more inputs and one output. It is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. That is, output of the AND gate is connected to the NOT gate. It is the symbol, circuit symbol for the NAND gate. That is, we write as A B bar. If it is the two input NAND gate, we write as A B bar. That is, you know that A B is the logical expression for the AND gate, and A B bar, it is the NOT gate. Output of the AND gate is connected to NOT gate. That is, the combination of the AND gate or NOT gate is called as NAND gate. That we can see the truth table for the NAND gate. Here the possible inputs are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. For AB, that is the output of the AND gate, any one of the input is 0, that output is 0. NAND gate output is AB bar, that is the complement of the output of the AND gate, that is 0, complement of the 0, that is 1. For complement of the 0, 1, that is 1. When 1 0, 1 into 0, that is 0, 1 into 0, 0, that is the output of the AND gate, and complement of the 0 equal to 1, that is the output of the NAND gate. For 1 1, output of the AND gate is 1 and output for the NAND gate is 0, complement of the 1, that is 0. Here for NAND gate, any one of the input is 0, that output is 1, that is the NAND gate. For AND gate, any one of the input is 0, that output is 0. That output is logic 1 only when all the inputs are logic 1s. That is the output of the AND gate. For NAND gate, that output is logic 0 only when all the inputs are logic 1. That is the NAND gate. It is also called as universal gate because by using this only NAND gates we can design any logic function. It is a IC for 4 input NAND gate, that is 7400. That 74 indicates the TTL logic family and 00 that is the NAND gate. It consists of 2 input 4 NAND gates. That is the name of the 7400 is the quad 2 input NAND gates. It consists of 4 2 input NAND gates. This is a 3-dimensional view of the 7400 IC. We count these numbers as anti-clockwise direction from this notch, from the left side of this notch, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that up to 14. This is the pin diagram of the 7400. Let us see the working of the NAND gate. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, these two switches are opened, then the current flowing through the bulb, and then Q is equal to 1 and bulb is on state. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, these two are off switches, then current flowing through the bulb, then output is logic 1 and bulb is on state. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, this is open and this switch is closed, then the current flowing through the bulb through this path, then that output is logic 1, bulb is on state. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, when it is 1, that is on switch, it is off switch, then there is no closed path, here there is a break at the B, then the current flowing through the bulb and output is logic 1, that bulb is on state. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, that output is logic 0, because when these two switches are on state, then the current flowing through the switches, then there is no current flowing through the bulb, then output is logic 0 or bulb is off state. That is the working of the NAND gate. If any one of the input is logic 0, then output is logic 1, that is the NAND gate. Next universal gate is another universal gate, that is NOR gate. It also have the 2 or more inputs and 1 output. That logical expression is A plus B plus and up to, if there are n inputs, up to n whole bar. If it is the 2 input NOR gate, that Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. That is the output of the and OR gate is connected to the NOT gate. That is the equivalent circuit of the NOR gate. This also can be drawn like this IEC symbol, that greater than or equal to 1 inside the square box and bubble or triangle inclined line at the output. That is the symbol of the NOR gate. Generally we use this symbol for the NOR gate, that is the bubble for the output of the OR gate, that is the NOR gate symbol. That is the This is the logical expression A plus B whole bar, that is for the logical expression for the NOR gate. For OR gate it is the A plus B. For NOR gate, complement of the OR gate, that is A plus B whole bar. This is the truth table for the NOR gate. These are the possible inputs 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. For 0 0, output of the OR gate is 0 output of the NOR gate is complement of the OR gate, that is the complement of the 0 that equal to 1, and any one of the input is logic 1, that output is logic 1 for the OR gate, that is the 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Complement of the OR gate is the NOR gate, so complement of the 1 equal to 0. If any one of the input is logic 1, that output is logic 0 for NOR gate. In IC version, that IC number is 7402, that is the quad 2 input NOR gates. It consists of the 4 NOR gates. Let us see the working of the NOR gate. For OR gate, equivalent switching circuit is the parallel circuit. There are parallel switches that is connected to the bulb for the OR gate, and for NOT gate there is a parallel switch to the load or bulb. For NOR gate, that is the parallel to the parallel switches, that combination is connected to the parallel to the bulb, that is the equivalent circuit for the NOR gate. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, when these two switches are off state, then there is no closed path through these switches, then current flowing through the bulb, then output is logic 1. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, output is logic 1 and that bulb is on state. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, then this switch is off state and it is on state. Here the current flowing through the switch 1, switch B, then there is no current flowing through the bulb, then bulb is off state. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. When A is equal to 1, that switch is on state, that switch is closed, then the current flowing through the switch and there is no current flow through the bulb, then bulb is off state, that is the output is logic 0. When A equal to 1, B equal to 1, then these two switches are on state, the two switches are closed, then there is a closed path to flow the current through these two switches, then there is no current flow through the bulb, then Q is equal to 0 or bulb is equal to off state. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, Q is equal to 0, bulb is off state. This is the working of the NOR gate. For OR gate, if any one of the inputs is logic 1, that output is logic 1 for the OR gate. For NOR gate, any one of the inputs is logic 1, then output is 0. Here this A is 1, output is 0. Here B is 1, then also output is 0. Here both are logic 1, that output is 0. When any one of the inputs is logic 1, that output is 0. That output is logic 1 only when all the inputs are logic 0. That is the working of the NOR gate. Next, let us see the exclusive OR gate. This is the symbol for the exclusive OR gate. In some cases, it is working as OR gate, but not in all cases. That is for 0, 1. Okay, when you take the 2 input exclusive OR gate, for 0, 1, output is logic 1. For also for the OR gate. Here also exclusive OR gate also, that output is logic 1 when input is 0, 1. 1, 0 also, that output is 1 for the exclusive OR gate, just like the OR gate. But when these two inputs are logic 1, that output is 0 for exclusive OR gate. That is the difference between the OR gate and exclusive OR gate. Here when you take the 2 input exclusive OR gate, that output is, for these are the possible inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For 0, 0, that output is 0. 0, 1, that output is 1. 1, 0, that output is 1. 1, 1, that output is 0. These are the Boolean expressions for this particular inputs and for this particular minterm. That is for this term it is a 0, 0. When you write the logical expression in SOP form, sum of the product form, here we write that variable complement of that variable for the 0. Here 0, 0 for the equivalent expression is A bar B bar. For this A bar B, and it is the A B bar, A B. These are the Boolean equations or logical expressions for these inputs A bar B bar for 0 0. Similarly for other inputs, here that output is logic 1 for 0 1 and 1 0. Hence that equivalent logical expression is A bar B plus A B bar. That is the output is logic 1 for the A bar B plus A B bar. That is a logical expression for the 2 input exclusive OR gate. Let us see the working of the exclusive OR gate. Here 2 inputs A and B. These are the complement switches. That is the when A is 0, the switch is that A bar is equal to 1. When it is opened, it will be closed. That is the meaning of this A and A bar. Here switch B, it is the complement of the B. When it is opened, it will be closed, and when it is closed, it will be opened. For first case, that is the A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. Then these two switches are opened. Then there is no path to flow the current to the bulb. Then output is 0. That bulb is off state. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Then when A is equal to 0, A bar equal to 1. When this switch is opened, this switch is closed. Similarly, when this switch is closed, this switch is opened. Hence the current flow through this B and this A bar to the bulb. Here it is the closed path. Then current flow through the bulb. That bulb is on state for 0 1. Next for 1 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, A bar equal to 0 and B bar equal to 1. Then current flow through this A, switch A and B bar to the bulb. Then bulb is on state and Q output equal to 1. When A equal to 1, B equal to 0, output is logic 1. When A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Here this A bar equal to 0, B bar equal to 0. There is no closed path to switch on the bulb. So output equal to 0. Okay, when odd number of inputs are logic 1, then output is logic 1. That is a working of the exclusive OR gate. This is the proof of the exclusive OR gate. Okay, prove by writing the A bar B, B bar, A B bar, and A bar B plus A B bar. We get this output as the exclusive OR gate output. That IC is the 7486. That is the quad 2 input XOR gates. Next one is the exclusive NOR gate. That is the combination of the exclusive OR gate and inverter. Here that output is logic 1 for the 0 0 and 1 1. When all inputs are same, then output is logic 1. That is, or we can say that it gives the output is logic 1 for the even inputs or even ones of the inputs. That is the for 0 0, that output is 1 0 1, that output is 0 1 0 0 1 1, output is 1. When you write the equivalent Boolean equations for these inputs, it is the A bar B bar. It is the A bar and B, A B bar, A B. This output is 1 for A bar B bar and also for A B. Hence this logical equivalent expression is the A bar B bar plus A B. When you see the equivalent circuits, when a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, a bar is equal to 1, b bar is equal to 1. For 0 0, here there is no closed path through the switches, hence the current flow through the switches through the bulb, then bulb is on state. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, output is logic 1, bulb is on state. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. When a is equal to 0, a bar is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, b bar is equal to 0. Then current flow through the this on switch b and through the a bar. Then there is no current flow through the bulb, then bulb is off state, output is logic 0. For 0 1, output is 0. Similarly, for a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, when it is on, this will be off state. When this is 0, it will be 1, logic 1. Hence the current flow through the a and b bar. Then there is no current flow through the bulb, then bulb is off state, output is logic 0. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, these two switches are off state, open position. These two switches are open and these two switches are when a equal to 1, b equal to 1, these two switches are closed. When a equal to 1, a bar equal to 0, these two switches are open, then there is no path, closed path through the switches, then current flow through the bulb, this is the closed path, then bulb equal to on. That is the when a equal to 1, b equal to 1, output is logic 1. That is the working of the exclusive NOR gate. Now let us revise these logic gates. There are three types. Those are basic gates, universal gates and other gates. NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate are called as basic gates. NAND gate or NOR gates are called as universal gates. Exclusive or exclusive NOR are other gates. And expression for the NOT gate is A bar. It has only one input and one output. For AND gate, two or more inputs and one output. That logical expression is A into B. For OR gate, it has two or more inputs and one output. That logical expression is A plus B. For NAND gate, AB bar. For NOR gate, A plus B whole bar. Exclusive OR gate, AB bar plus A bar B. And exclusive NOR gate, AB plus A bar B bar. And enable input for AND gate is 1. If you give the 1 for the one of the inputs, that output depends on the other inputs. If you give the 0 for one of the inputs of the AND gate, that output is 0 irrespective of the other inputs. That is the disable input of the AND gate is 0. For OR gate, if you give the one of the inputs is 0, then output is depends on the other inputs. If you give the logical 1 for the any one of the inputs of the OR gate, that output is logic 1 irrespective of the other inputs. That is the disable input of the OR gate is logic 1. For AND gate, if you give the one of the inputs of AND gates is logic 1, that output is depends on the other inputs. That is the enable input is logic 1 for the NAND gate. If you give the 0 for the one of the inputs of NAND gate, that output is 1 irrespective of the other inputs. That is the disable input of the NAND gate is logic 0. If you give the 0 for the any one of the inputs of NOR gates, that output depends on the other inputs. Then that is the enable input of the NOR gate is logic 0. If you give the logic 1 to the any one of the inputs of NOR gate, that output is logic 0 irrespective of the other inputs. That is then disable input of the NOR gate is logic 1. The possible questions from these topics are: what are the universal gates, that is NAND gate or NOR gate? Next, what are the basic gates, NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate? And what are the logical expressions for that particular corresponding gates, NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate and other gates? And they may ask sometimes as what are the enable input, disable input for the gates. So, have to remember these logical expressions, enable inputs, symbols and IC numbers also. In some exams or gate exam, ask the IC numbers for the that corresponding gates. Okay, thank you.